You are going to love the 2014 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.